How to log in into your Ceridian Dayforce account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's quick video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Ceridian Dayforce account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser and simply search for Ceridian Dayforce login. Hit enter after you type that in and you will see this page right here. So simply tap on it and you'll get redirected to the Dayforce page. And now what you'll need to do is type in your company's name, your own username, and then your password. After you type all of those in, tap on login and you'll get logged into your account. And it's basically that simple, guys. If you cannot access your account, head over to this option right here and you'll get redirected to something else where you will be able to just recover your account. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.